How's it going, everyone? Just a quick video of what I did over the weekend that was kind of car related, so I figured I would put it in on this channel. Last weekend I went to PAX East, which, if you don't know what that is, it's a huge gaming convention. It was in Boston, and my brother and I, with my family, just did a little weekend trip there where my brother and I went to convention, and then my parents did some tourist sightseeing stuff. However, the first day we were there, we did go on a duck tour, and I'll start overlaying photos of what that is. It's basically just a historical tour of Boston, and you ride in a World War II amphibious vehicle called the WWII, and that's where the name came from, the duck tour. So it's pretty cool, you know. I drive around, see the cool historical spots of Boston, and then at one point you go into the river, do a quick lap, and you know, come back out, and it's an amphibious vehicle, so it was pretty dope. And in the river we saw the Harvard girls row team practicing, and on the tour itself just saw some old monuments, landmarks, stuff like that. So it's really cool, and I figured since it's a car thing, I would put it on this channel and tell you guys about it, because I do like World War II, World War I stuff, vehicles. So I thought it was pretty cool. And if you guys want to see some gaming videos, I do have a gaming channel I just upload to for fun, just of my buddies and I just kind of bullshitting around, and mostly PUBG, couple Sea of Thieves gameplay, some Call of Duty, a lot of Battlefield, and soon I'll have Red Dead, probably some more Forza, just stuff like that. Just whatever we play that day or that night, I'll record it, because it's always funny. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll put the little tab thing up in the video and a link in the description. But overall, yeah. And as for the G, it's just been sitting there this past week because I haven't had time to work on it to fix a spacer. Turns out I'm gonna have to try to heat it up and bend it back, because me trying to constantly, the spacer's not flipped or anything, it's set correctly. I just must have got a bad batch, because from doing research, it seems like I'm the only one to have this issue. I tried like hammering it back in between the plenum. It worked for a day, and then it popped back out. So I bought a heat gun. I'm gonna try and heat it up and get it to stay back, and we'll go from there. So yeah, video for that. I'm gonna do that today after work, so video for that will probably be this weekend, something like that. Well, hope you guys liked that quick video, and I'll see you in this next one. Deuces.